we are going to draw for the door prizes for our 10th anniversary celebration we had tonight. The first one I'm going to draw is for the micro needling gift card. And here we go. Tina Anderson, Webster City. So Tina will be giving you a call. But you didn't put your phone number on here, Tina, so if you see this, call down here to Shanti tomorrow, okay? And we'll have a gift certificate for you. The next one is for 6 of the Juve treatments. This is the red light therapy. Jen Brinkema, Camera, Iowa. I should have put my glasses on. And this door prize, we have to open it up. This is a $50 gift card that you can use on anything down here at Shanti Rejuvenation. Thanks. Sue Anderson won the $50 gift certificate. Yay! Now we've got 3 gift baskets here. The first one's got some makeup in it, some fingernail polish, eyeshadow, lipstick, mineral essence makeup. Amanda Jones. Another gift certificate. This has got some aromatherapy in it and a Lattesse lift-up bra. Chris Berglund. We'll be giving Chris a call. One more gift basket. This is a bath basket. It's got spa mineral bath, some shave cream, and a body brush for lymphatic brushing. Sharon Hughes, Lehigh, Iowa. One of our first gals in today. Thank you, everybody.